Hi, I am Vimal Ashwath. I am going to teach for 10th standard. The chapter is real numbers. Find the largest number that will divide 398, 436 and 542. 398, 436 and 542, leaving reminders 7, 11 and 15 respectively. So while dividing this number, it gives the remainder 7 and this one 11 and 15. So here it is asked to find the largest number. So here we are going to find the HCF of these three numbers. So first here it is leaving the remainder 11. So 398 minus 7, that is equal to 391. Then 436 minus 11. 436 minus 11. So 6 minus 11. 6 minus 1 5. 3 minus 1 2. Then remaining 425. Then next one is 542. 542 minus 15. 542 minus 15. So what is the 12 minus 5? 7. Then 3 minus 1 2. Then 527. Next we are going to find HCF of 391, 425, 527. So 391, 425, then 527. Here if it is divisible by 3, then it is easy to find the HCF. So here it is 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. So again 5 it is not divisible because it is a odd number. So going to 5. Then next is by 7. 7, that is 7, 35. So 41. So 7 is also not possible. Then 9. 3 is not divisible. So 9 is also not divisible. Then 11, 33, then remainder 61, though it is not divisible by 11. Then 13, 3s are 39, then remainder 1. So it is also not divisible 13. So 15 is also not possible. Then go to 17. 17, while going to 17, here 17, 2 17s are 34. Then 51, therefore 3, 23. Then next here it is goes for 5. Then 5 means it is what will happen, that is 7 5s. So 5 only happen, that is 425 the nearest one, therefore it is 25. Next that is 270, so you have to calculate. Then 25. Then here it is 7, therefore it is 31. 23, 25, 31. So here again it is a co-prime number, that is common number is 1 only, therefore 17 is the HCF. HCF of 391. So 425, 527 equal to 17. So the largest number is 17. Largest number is 17. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.